A lot has been going on in the aftermath of the Pahalgam strike as India prepares to respond diplomatically and militarily. Here are the updates that are taking place. In fact, we're getting in a fresh breaking development at the hour. Now, this comes as a suspicious bag has been found in New Delhi railway station. Security has also been beefed up. This becomes intense because it comes in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terrorist strike and amid rising escalations between India and Pakistan. And now the big breaking development that we're getting, a suspicious bag has been found at the New Delhi railway station. In fact, security has been beefed up. Security officials have also taken the bag for further investigation and probe. As per preliminary reports, we're picking up that a suspicious bag, unaccounted for, was found at the New Delhi railway station today. In fact, security has been beefed up in and around New Delhi railway station after the bag, which is unaccounted for, was discovered at the New Delhi railway station. Now, security remains on high alert, and this follows very closely, viewers, in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terrorist strike, as India is now planning its strategic, diplomatic and military response in retaliation against Pakistan. So this becomes Grieve, a suspicious bag found in New Delhi railway station. Viewers, after 3 overground workers confessed to helping Pahalgam terrorists, the National Investigation Agency is grilling 2 more overground workers, Haji Nisar and Mushtaq Ahmed, in the Kot Balwal jail in Jammu. These 2 overground workers are being questioned by the National Investigation Agency for their involvement in helping terrorists who were behind the Pahalgam terrorist strike. Here's a report on that. Take a look.
National Investigation Agency is continuing its probe in the Pahalgam terror attack in which 26 civilians were brutally killed by the Pakistani terrorists. And now during the investigation, the 2 overground workers of the Lashkar-e-Toiba are presently being questioned. These 2 overground workers identified as Haji Nisar and Mushtaq Ahmed, originally hailing from the Mendhar area of the Poonch district. They are already under the arrest of the National Investigation Agency in a case that was registered with regards to the Dhangri terror attack in 2023, in which 7 Hindus were brutally killed by the Pakistani terrorists after checking their Aadhaar cards, and then Kandi terror attack in the month of April 2023, when the Indian Army's special forces were ambushed by the Pakistani terrorists and 4 of them made the supreme sacrifice. Right now we are outside the central jail in the Kot Balwal. And here, the teams of the National Investigation Agency are questioning the Haji Nisar and Mushtaq Ahmed. Important to mention that both of these, they were receiving the drone dropping consignments from the Pakistan side, be it the weapons, the cash, narcotics into the Indian territory, and then were supplying the same to the terror associates and the terrorists, those who carried out these 2 terror attacks. Because the modus operandi is same, NIA suspect that the group of terrorists that has carried out the Kandi terror attack and the Dhangri terror attack, they are the one who could be involved in this attack in the Pahalgam, because the pattern, the way they asked the civilian their religion and after that they were killed, that could be possibly be the reason that the agency is looking that the suspected terrorists are same, because 2 to 3 terrorists are still active of this group. 2 have been killed while others are active, and now the agency is probing, the National Investigation Agency is probing the 2 overground workers of Lashkar-e-Toiba in the Jammu Central Jail. In days to come, it is being said that some more overground workers of Lashkar are on the radar of the National Investigation Agency that has been handed over this case last week by the Ministry of Home Affairs.